Alright, in this clip, we are going to quickly grade our slab comp and recap what we learned in this module. So I don't want to do much for now, as I don't have all the elements present in my shot. But the thing here is I'm sure that I want to increase a little bit the contrast of my clouds. So let's create a color correct node, plug it right after my clouds, and instead of using the contrast knob here, I will reduce the gamma a bit and increase the gain. You may have the same result using the contrast, but I personally think that the contrast knob always do something I don't want. Like for example here, the contrast will change the saturation of my colors. By using gamma and gain, I'm more affecting only the luminance of my image. Well, this is just my personal preferences. You are free to use the contrast knob if you like. So for now, I'll put the gamma at 0.8 and the gain at 1.1. Now, I feel that my plane is definitely too yellow for this gloomy sky environment. So we'll drop a color correct node as well, and maybe reduce a little bit its saturation to 0.94, and I'll add a little bit of blue in its gain. Alright, I think we have a good base to start. Let's play back these shots. Alright, this looks nice. Of course, this is not the final result, but it's easier now to imagine where we're going. Before jumping to the next module, let's have a quick recap of what we learned in this module. We're starting by importing our deep passes, and we checked them with the deep to point node. We were able to check the 3D point clouds in the 3D viewer to spot any weird looking shape. We imported the shot cam to compare the position of the point cloud and the actual render. Then we created optimized deep pass, first to fix any format issues using a deep reformat, and have only one image sequence for the clouds. As well, we graded the clouds to bring them back a little bit to a proper color space due to the terrible mistakes made by the lighting department. We learned how to crop the deep pass of the plane one more time to optimize Nuke's performances. We rendered standard 2D versions of the two passes to be able to work properly. We created a great holdout for the plane using the deep holdout node. One more time, we pre-comped these holdouts to not have the deep nodes connected to my main comp tree. And finally, we added a quick grading to create a solid base for any further operations. So this module was mainly to show you how to use deep passes in a production-friendly way. Now, in the next module, we will use several techniques to integrate 2D stock elements within our shots using deep. We will learn as well how deep can be used to hold out particles or any 3D elements rendered in Nuke itself. We will as well finish this comp to achieve a nice looking shot. So let's go!